Hi everyone, in this video I am going to tell how to draw the stick diagram of CMOS inverter. This is a schematic of CMOS inverter which contains two MOS transistors. One is PMOS on the pull up, the other is NMOS on the pull down. So this is the gate terminal of PMOS, this is gate terminal of NMOS. This is the source of PMOS, this is source of NMOS, this is drain of NMOS, this is drain of PMOS. So here both the gates are joined together for applying the input. Both the drains are joined together to take the output. Source of PMOS is connected to VDD. Source of NMOS is connected to VSS. So the colors we are using for stick diagrams are blue color is used for VDD VSS metal. So here the blue color line is used for metal connection for VDD and VSS. And coming to the NMOS, red over green. So green should be drawn. So green, and on which red. So red color. So red over green. This cross indicates the transistor. So red is for polysilicon, material used for forming gate. Green is used for N diffusion. So source and drain. This is source, one side source, the other side drain. This is the gate. So here we can see this is gate, horizontal. Vertical is source and drain of NMOS. Similarly, for PMOS also we will do the same. Red over yellow. So first horizontal line is drawn through yellow, on which red color cross. So this is a PMOS. So this is a PMOS. So here we can see gates of both the transistors are joined. So here also we need to join both the gates. So both the gates are joined, and we can extend this polysilicon for applying the input. Then source of PMOS is connected to supply. So this can be the source, is connected to supply. So that can be with yellow color. We can extend that to the supply. Similarly, we can do for N diffusion. Source of NMOS is connected to ground. So this is source of NMOS which is connected to ground. Remaining is both the drains should be joined. So this is drain of PMOS, this is drain of NMOS. So both these cannot be connected with one color. We should use metal for such type of interconnections. With metal we can connect both the drains and we can take the output from that connection. So we can extend and we can take the output. So on the top we are having P devices, on the bottom we are having N devices. So a demarcation line can be drawn in the beginning itself for separating the N devices and P devices. So this is the demarcation line. So we can draw this demarcation line. Which separates the P devices and N devices. Next thing we need to do is the contacts. So contacts can be made with black color. So we can make contacts whenever different colors are crossing or touching. Contacts will not be made. Explicitly we need to make the contacts whenever needed. So here we can see green and blue. These two are different colors. We need to make the contacts whenever we require. So they will not be made automatically. So here also we can see yellow color and blue color, we need to make a contact, whereas they will not be formed automatically. Whereas the tool does not apply for a transistor. Red over green indicates the NMOS, red over yellow PMOS. So here contact should not be made. If a contact is made here, it will not be a transistor. So there are several rules for drawing the stick diagram. One such rule is different colors whenever crossing or touching other than the transistors, contacts should be made explicitly. We should make the contacts explicitly, otherwise they will not be made. So for the demarcation line also, it will be like dash, dot, small dot we need to place in between the dashes. So like this. So this is the demarcation line. So demarcation line separates the P devices and N devices. So this is the stick diagram of CMOS inverter. So different colors used here are blue for metal, VDD VSS, and blue color is also used for interconnections. Blue color is also used for interconnections, and red over yellow indicates the PMOS. Yellow is P diffusion, red is polysilicon. Green color is N diffusion. Polysilicon is gate. Source and drain are either N diffusion for NMOS or source and drain for PMOS is yellow color for P diffusion. And we need to finally place the substrate connections and well connections. So these can be done with with crosses. Two crosses indicates the connections, substrate connections. This is substrate connection and this one is a well connection. So these are the contacts, these are the substrate connections. So thank you, Anu.